I implore you to get a random one-way ticket anywhere that you're planning on going that you think you should be coming back from. So we're going to an event, me, Dave, Troy, and Nick, we're going to a Copy Accelerator event in Austin, Texas on the 21st. On a Sunday, we're leaving. And we're basically not coming back to Tampa after. We're getting a one-way ticket. We're going to stay there for, the 4 or 5 days, and then we're randomly going to go somewhere for Troy's birthday. So I really implore you to go get a one-way ticket, go randomly experience shit. Like, who cares where you're going? Just randomly pick a place on the fucking map and just go. Like, I'm tired of trying to do things like everybody else. I'm tired of doing the whole round trip shit and once you go somewhere, you should always come back. Like, fuck that. I want to do shit extraordinary this year. So we're gonna get this one-way ticket. We're gonna randomly pick a spot to go for Troy's birthday. I don't know where it's gonna be. It might be Las Vegas, it might be California, it might be fucking in the middle of the woods in Colorado. I don't know where it's gonna be, but we're gonna pick some random spot and we're just gonna enjoy ourselves. We're gonna enjoy life. We're gonna just embrace the unknown, right? And that's the biggest thing I wanna get in this video. Embrace the unknown. Stop trying to always go through this guided path, this straight line. Like in business, shit is always like this. So why can't your traveling, why can't your journeys that you take with, some of your best friends be the same way? And if you go through those experiences with people that you're close to, you're gonna build bigger relationships as well. You're gonna have stories to fucking tell forever and ever. And it's a great thing to build in your repertoire. It's like when you are finally 80 years old and you can't really do the things that you used to be able to do, are you gonna be happy with the decisions that you made? Are you gonna be happy with the things that you pulled out of your ass and decided to do? Were you ballsy enough for you to consider yourself, that you lived your life to the fullest? Like, think about that. Because we think that, we're young right now. If you're my age, I'm 23. Like, I don't really think about my age much, but I'm just like, damn, like, what if I die next year? Like, what in the fuck am I doing? Like, you need to go do things that make your life extraordinary. Stop trying to live in the known and embrace the unknown.